Yo guys, what is going on? It is Maxi D here with another video, and today we are doing the no regen challenge, which means we can't use slurp juice, we can't use bandages, and we can't use medkits. So let's see how we get on. We can still use shields as they don't regen your health, but we can't use slurp juice or any other regen. The main enemy today will probably be the storm, so we just need to make sure that we're not by the storm, and then we'll be okay. So someone's in there, someone's just here. That was an easy kill. There's a guy around here. Oh, there's a chest in here. Anything good? Just more bandages, which we can't use. Might as well drop them now. I am gonna head over into this house so I can get a kill, which I probably shouldn't be doing, but we should YOLO it. He's outside, I think. Where's this guy? Alright, we're not that far out the storm circle, which is good. Where's this guy? Alright. Yes! Didn't get hit once. And he's got a grenade launcher for me. Right, that is good. That is good. Luckily we didn't get hit once, so we're still at 100 health. Let's try and keep it that way. I will need a shield somewhere. I just need to find a shield real quick, because then if I take damage, and there we go. Oh, he's got a shield for me. Yeah, because I don't want to take damage on my health. I thought I heard a guy there. Anyone here? No. Let's edit our inventory real quick. I keep thinking I'm hearing someone. Don't know what I am hearing though. We might as well keep the bandages there for now. Actually, no, we'll swap it with this shotgun. Might as well. Anyone around here? Let me grab this ammo crate real quick. Right, the challenge is going pretty well so far. Not took a single bullet yet. And we are in the circle, which is good. Already got 3 kills. Is there anyone in here? Someone has been in here. Oh, Siri's going off. Thought I saw a guy go down here. Is he here? No. I thought I saw a guy in the corner of my eye. I don't know though. Anyway, let's loot this place a bit more. Nothing in here. Should probably have our AR out in case we find a guy at long range or medium range. It doesn't look like this has been looted. There is a chest, which is good. Maybe potential good loot. Yes, definitely good loot. Thank you for that scar. Oh, there's an ammo crate there. Let me get that. Heavy bullets. Okay, decent. Right. I don't think there's any. Yeah, I don't think there's anybody else here. I think, oh, another shield potion. Perfect. Storm is moving, so we need to get inside the circle. Yep, no one's here. Well, I don't think. I keep hearing. Well, I keep thinking, like, I think I'm hearing stuff. I don't know. I hear random footsteps. Don't know if it's just the game or me or if it's actually happening. Like then. Let me not worry too much. Right, we're in this circle, which is good, and there's 46 people left. Still at full health and full armor, which is good. Anyone around here? I can't see anyone at the moment. Someone has been in here. Let me put a trap in here. You never know. Someone could come in here. That was a bit of lag. But okay then. Yeah, put this ceiling zapper here. Maybe someone will be dumb enough. Or maybe someone's got their volume switched off and won't hear the ceiling zapper. But who knows? Oh, a bit of lag there too. Right, I need to find some people to kill because it's getting a bit boring. Yeah, let's head over to Salty Springs. There'll probably be a guy or two. Also, if you guys want me to do any other challenges, then just feel free to comment down below. And if we hit 5 likes, yep, I know that is massive for my channel because I get pretty much no likes. If we can hit 5 likes, then I will do a trolling video, as Fortnite has now released a voice chat, game chat, which is good. Good for me, good for other people, good for everyone. I don't know if anyone's still here. I can hear chests. So people probably just haven't looted it properly. And I'm in the next circle, which is good. Right, what's in this chest? What is in here? Anything good? Another shield and a green AR. I'm not colorblind. A blue AR. So that's good. Let's just get past here real quick. Yeah, we got decent loot and decent guns. This is looking good so far. Pretty easy challenge at the moment. Yeah, let's go back to that house because there was a chest in here. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Better not break the chest. Oh, that was a fail. Yeah, the chest is here. Yeah, they've not even looted this properly. Ammo crate. More ammo. Yeah, I've got loads of ammo at the moment, so I don't have to worry about that. But where is everyone? Oh, I hear gunshots. Where are those gunshots at? Where are you guys? Where are you? This scar is so accurate. So hopefully we can find some people and test out this accuracy maybe. Sounds like the gunshots, yeah, the gunshots from over there. My aim is terrible. He hasn't noticed me. How did he not notice those bullets? Wait, is he bandaging up? Yeah, he was. He was medkitting, I think. That was quite an easy kill. I don't think there's another guy. There could be. I gotta be careful. Let me get a right building material. I can't speak today. Let me get the right building material because I don't have much metal, so I can easily run out while building. And he's got a bolt action for me. Very good. Still at full health, full armor. Looking good so far. Next thing you know, I'll start getting shot in the back. Wait, did someone just build that? I'm gonna head over there. I have a feeling there's a guy there. I wonder if there is a guy. Circle's getting pretty small. I gotta be quite careful. Yep, there's a guy. I don't need loot at the moment because I'm getting shot. Yep, just what I said. Right, I need to build a tower. Let's build a tower. Why not? Oh, there's a tree in the way. Right. Where's this guy? Oh. Ooh. That was a good snipe from me, as I'm not the best sniper. Any other guys want some of this? That was a mad snipe. I'm proud of that. Anyone else? Now we're gonna have to get moving in a second. 12 guys left. This is looking good, but I don't want to jinx it. Yeah, I'm getting shot at with a sniper. Wait, I might not be getting shot at. I think someone else is getting shot at. I think he's on that hill. I don't know. I'm almost positive he's on that hill. Yeah, it sounds like it. Oh. Nah. Too slow. Too slow. Oh. There's a guy there. That tree's in the way. Where is he going? Where is he? He behind that? Oh, he's right there. Yeah. Oh, no, he's got a shield. Oh, yes. Right, let's get moving. The snipes have been real this game. I don't know whether to use my shield now. I'm just debating whether I should now or whether I should do it later. 6 kills so far, so it's doing decent. I say we should get to some high ground. So I should also watch out. Yep, because I think I'm getting shot at. Yep. I'm running. I need to build now. Yep, I need to build now. Wrong thing. There we go. Wait, what? Okay then. Oh, what am I doing? Anyway, it's lag. Anyone want a piece? Oh, there's a guy there. Yeah, not gonna go for him. He's gone around the mountain. Oh, yeah, that's the guy there. I mean, I have this. Oh, someone's sniping me. From over there, I think. No, he's right there. Oh, that was rubbish. No. I need to shield up. No. Yes. Got him. Oh, there's a guy there. What was he doing? Just standing there waiting for me to kill him. He's got a shield or anything like that. I don't know. Oh, he's got that for me. Cheeky. Pick up that. Get that. And that. There we go. It's looking good. 5 guys left. Probably going to be hiding in a bush, so I better watch out. Right, so this is the last mountain. Probably should get on it. But at the same time, as soon as I start building up there, someone's going to see me. So, yeah. Let's just YOLO it. Yeah, I'm getting sniped already. Yep. And there's a legendary something over there. Not gonna bother picking it up though. Wait, what? Oh wow. Another fail again. Let me up, maybe. There we go. Oh no, another fail. Right, where's these guys at? Ooh, legendary bolt. There's not much point in going for it though. Let's just get rid of this tree. Took a lot of bullets. Now we've only got wood. I should have built those stairs with wood if I actually had a brain. Let's get this reloaded ready. I think there's someone in there. Yep, there is. Oh, that was terrible. Sorry, I had to see that, guys. And there's a guy near me. I am in the next circle, but I think a guy's gonna have to push me soon. Oh, there's a guy coming up. Can't see him. When we move, I will grab that legendary just there. Is there a guy sneaking up on me? Probably. This is intense. 8 kills, looking good. A guy is trying to sneak up on me, I know that. Supply drop right there. Come on. Sneak up on me. I dare you. I have got an amazing height advantage against everyone, which is good. Yep. Yeah, no! No! I knew he was sneaking up on me. I shouldn't have stayed there. No, guys. No, that was going so well. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked today's episode. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video. That'd show a lot of love. I knew that guy was sneaking up on me. But anyway, guys, that's it for today's video.